Well, we have the ladies from the Senior Center here today, and everyone knows Shirley Witt. Good to see you again.
Nice to see you.
And we've had Sherry Holtz on before. You are the director over at the Florence Sylvester, so welcome.
Thank you.
Great to have you here today.
Thank you.
And of course, we're going to get into talking about casino night in just a moment, but you've got all sorts of activities coming up, right?
Yeah, I want to talk about a few lectures that we're going to be having. The first one is on Tuesday, September 11th. All of our lectures are usually on Tuesday afternoons at 1. And this one's talking about fraud in the older adult.
Yeah.
And we have Ted Burnett, the Assistant District Attorney, coming in to talk about what criminals will look for and things, what you should look out for, why they target the older adult, and what you can do to keep yourself safe.
Yeah, and it's very sneaky nowadays, and it's sneaky because even I get emails all the time. Your bank account is about to close unless you confirm your password and
your credit card.
All the time I will get that. I mean, on a weekly basis, and they'll have the credit card logo and everything. And sometimes it's fun to read it because you'll get down in a little paragraph and it's something's not, the grammar is wrong or something like that. Right. But whenever you get anything like that, even if it's legitimate, don't click on anything, call your bank.
Right, exactly.
It's as simple as that.
Exactly. But it's just unfortunate that the seniors are a great target.
Yeah.
And but this lecture, as Cherie said, the district attorney is going to come in and talk to us about some of the new scams that are going on too, because every time you look at the news or open the paper, it's something new, and I just can't believe that these people spend so much time thinking of these scams.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's
amazing. That is September 11th, right?
Right.
Okay.
1 o'clock.
What time?
1 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
Okay.
I'm sure he'll be there to answer some questions afterwards.
That'll be good, and that'll be something definitely you want to sign up for.
Absolutely.
Get a lot of folks for that one.
Yeah, that's one that I would definitely suggest everyone attends.
Yeah.
Secondly, we have something called Doc Talks coming up. It's a new little 5-week session where we have a doctor coming in from Memorial Care Medical Group, and he's going to be addressing some things like diets, cannabis, some of the other things are Alzheimer's update, those kind of things. So, and it's just every Thursday from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Come to the center, sign up, and it's just kind of a buffet of things that seniors are asking about right now.
Very good. Surely you'll be at the cannabis one. I'm sure.
I'll be leading it. I'll be.
Okay.
My handout will be for samples.
You guys kill me.
But that'll be really a great seminar for.
Yes.
And the different subjects are good. So can people? I know you're going to bring your booklets by. And in the booklet, it'll list the different subjects? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what's head to toe?
Head to toe, one of our little sleeper exercise classes that I want to talk about, it's focused on very easy exercises for people who have arthritis. So they do head to toe. It's done by someone who does arthritis exercise, Christina Stifle, and it helps seniors who have the arthritis sleep better at night, make it through that day, have enough energy to make it through that day. So she's there on Tuesdays and Thursdays in the morning from 9 to 9:45. So that's also a really good class that people can sign up for.
Yeah,
and come
that'll
on
be very nice.
Yeah.
And is that one that you're going to keep on going, or is it just for September?
It is year round.
Okay.
Absolutely.
And she really works them out too.
She does.
She really
they do all kinds of things. And what's important is, if you feel a little apprehensive about going, she works with you and you work at your own pace. She's very, very good, very well respected.
All right, very good. Now looks like you've got one more there to talk about?
We have all kinds of holidays coming up as well.
Yes, we do.
We have Western Day coming up.
Western Day?
Yes,
Wow.
Western Day.
Hi,
on
I'm
September
Wendy Miller.
21st.
Your Laguna
We actually have a new entertainer coming in. His name is Cowboy Jack. So again, that's a good time to come down, invite your friends, have some lunch, and enjoy one of our new entertainers. So we're
what's he
checking
going to
him
do?
out.
Is he a singer or?
He's a singer. He's going to play his guitar and he's going to sing and
That'll
interact
be a
with the
lot
crowd.
of fun.
Yes,
Maybe
lots of fun.
Maybe he'll ride in on his horse.
Maybe he will.
Yes.
Now, food? Are you going to have kind of themed lunch that day?
Of course we
Yes, we have the barbecue riblets, the O'Brien potatoes, and if we're lucky, we get apple cobbler that day. So
All
that's
right.
a definite. And if
So
you know,
get your
yes,
kitchen ready.
Yes, absolutely.
and most times the entertainer will get the whole staff up there to do a line dance or so. So that's fun.
That'll be a lot
Yeah,
of fun.
that's a lot of fun.
Very good. Now,
Yeah.
also coming up in September is your annual casino night.
We have our casino night September 29th at 6 p.m. at the Senior Center, and that's our big fundraiser for the Florence Sylvester. So I invite everybody to come down. The tickets are $25, and with that you get $100 in play money. And it's a great, fun, very casual night. There's going to be refreshments, great raffle prizes. So please come down. Help support the Senior Center, and these the funds will go to help with our events and with our ongoing programs and our resources. So it's a fundraiser for the Senior Center. Bring your friends. It's a very casual, fun evening, and it's for a worthy cause.
Yeah, it is, and you always encourage people that you can always buy more.
You
play
can
money.
always buy more play money.
Always.
You can play all night long.
And you've got great raffle prizes.
We have good, nice raffle prizes, and at the end of the night, of course, you don't win money, but you win tickets to go towards the raffle prizes.
Yeah.
So it's like I said, it's we turn the whole Senior Center into a casino, and it's really a lot of fun.
It is.
And
Now, where are tickets available? Do you got to go to the Senior Center?
pick them up at the Senior Center, or you can the night of the event you can get them there too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can somebody? We have the number on the screen. So can somebody call in? Do they need to reserve it? Can they
No,
pay
they
it?
don't. They
Okay.
don't. There's plenty of room, so they can come in the night of.
Okay.
A lot of people like to buy their tickets in advance, though.
Yeah.
So.
Very good. That's
Yeah.
going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
going to be a
yes.
lot of fun.
And
Every year.
I know you. What's your game?
Cheryl's game is what did Cheryl used to like to play? I forget.
Craps.
I forget.
Craps. I
Craps?
thought.
Craps,
Yeah.
but we're not doing craps. No, we
Okay.
can't do craps. So
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We
They
are-
got restrictions.
we got
Right.
there's restrictions now, so there's no
Is it
craps.
really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's going to be a lot of fun. So that'll be September 29th. And Sherry, anything else? you
No.
wanna add? Okay.
Just
And-
check with the Senior Center, grab our newsletter, and that goes over everything that we do, all the fun holidays that we have there.
All right, and we'll you'll bring by some of the booklets that
Yes,
some people
yes,
can pick
we
up
will.
here.
We will.
And you know, a lot of these things we talk about, they're free, but you need to call because there's limited space. So the number is 949-380-0155, and you can go online to Age Well Senior Services and get more information about all
Yep.
the programs in general. And of course, you always meet nice people over there.
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
All right, we will be right back.